Hey guys, what's up? What is going on? So this is my let me see, this is my VPS. Okay, my VPS. Okay, this is my desktop, and this is the one of the EA. Let's go to the back test. So this is the EA. Let's go to the graph. Okay, so there is a graph. Okay, I'll go to the back test. So you're going to see. You're going to see the back test. You see that the initial deposit was $100, and this is the 1 year 8 months. Okay, let me go to the settings so that you see everything. It's Bitcoin. You see, okay, so this is it. You will see that there's the EA and there's the Bitcoin, and then there's a time frame, and this is real tick based on real tick. You can see, and then the initial deposit is this. You can see. So after running the back test, the results, the drawdown, the maximum drawdown is 0, and then the equity drawdown is 28%. Okay, and you can see this is it. So you can see that I deployed the EA into the account. This is it. So this is the EA. This is the EA working. Okay, so this is the EA working. Okay, and this is a live account. Okay, so this is a VPS. This is a remote desktop. This is my remote desktop, and so that is that. I love you guys. Let's see how things are going to work out in this EE. God bless you.